institutions are invested, as you said, massively in the transactional systems over the course of their history. There are different drivers that are asking them now to change. Regulators are asking them much more transparency on data and on processes. Clients' needs are changing. Yes, competition is moving fast, and the emergence of new players might disrupt their current business model. So they need to develop much more agility, and that's not only coming with modernizing their core systems, but thinking more strategically about how they innovate. Innovation has to do not only with technology, but the mindset and collaboration, the organization that needs to embrace change. I think both on the IT and core systems, it's a challenge, but they have to do it, but also on the organizational, behavioral and the mindset, they also need to be taking actions. Obviously, there is a part related to improving, entertaining the customer relationship and agility in front of the customer. The paradigm with PLM is to bring the engine in the back to be much more agile in bringing new solutions to the market. So PLM stands in between the time where innovative, creative teams within financial institutions are getting insights coming from the market, from regulators or from competition, framing an idea, and PLM will be orchestrating what it takes in terms of collaboration to bring that idea of a new product, of a fine-tuning of existing product, down to the launch of the new product. So if you think of a client discussion, client is happy with your service but is moving into a new country, is moving into new client segments, for example. He wants from you as a service provider to offer and enable him to move. So the ability to be very quick in assembling, reusing components of your existing portfolio of services, bundling this as a new custom solution for him is going to be very critical for asset servicers. It's sitting upstream from transactional system. It's not a transactional system. It's really about orchestrating people-to-people collaboration, about mastering what is the portfolio of services and solutions that are sold to end clients. And it's also orchestrating many different functions. If you think about it, a solution is composed obviously operational IT facets, but it has a compliance facet, a marketing facet, customer messaging, communication angle. So it's bringing that concept of looking at products and solutions as being modeled in our PLM systems and really fostering fast collaboration and orchestration to hit the market very quickly. We look at existing processes. There are somehow define what is the process for them to launch and assemble new solutions, right? But this process is not equipped by a tool at the edge of the internet. They need to embrace global collaboration. We are equipping this process with global solutions that enable them to collaborate globally with strict auditability, compliance and so on. It's not only about technology, it's about putting the right place in step. So it started with an assessment of what are the current best practice, probably not doing entire process re-engineering, but equip these processes with a tool that provides visibility to all the stakeholders, transparency, and everybody understand in which context is asked to be collaborating. So it's a profound transformation on how people do collaborate. One of the things I would recommend is for these institutions to be very clear on their business objectives. Having this business objective very aligned with their corporate strategy. This being clearly stated, then we can start to engage this dialogue about how new solutions such as product lifecycle management solution would enable to reach this business objective. PLM is not only about product, it's a lot about aligning business priorities, looking with visibility on and transparency on a portfolio of initiatives, business development initiatives that are going on across the globe, being able to prioritize them and to make sure that these prioritization are aligned with the corporate strategy and the high-level business goals. So having this picture very clear is very important.